Okay, so hello everyone and welcome to my channel Graphic Art. So in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create this awesome ego logo design using Inkscape. So first of all, let's open Inkscape. Okay, so now just we have to create this circle like this. Now I will just duplicate it and I will make it a blue color. Actually I will again duplicate it and push it to the bottom, lower selection to bottom. Now take this and press shift, click on this and difference like this. So now I will click on this circle and again duplicate this. I will click on this and again duplicate this. I will make it a blue color and push it down. Okay, so make sure that the tangent on the circle is meeting the edge of this crescent like this. Okay, so press Ctrl and move it downwards. Okay, like this. Now press shift, click on this and path. Actually I will duplicate this first. Duplicate, press shift and click on this path difference. Okay, like this. So then I will duplicate this and I will decrease its opacity. And I will decrease this circle size here. Okay. Okay, like this. Now I will click on this. First of all, I will duplicate this, make it any color, and move it to the bottom. Now I click on this, duplicate this, click on this, and path intersection. Okay, so now I will make it a dark shade like this, so I can see this one. Now I will make the size smaller like this. I'm gonna place it here. I will duplicate this and click on this and difference. Okay. Now again I will decrease the little more, decrease a little bit more like this. Okay, so I will duplicate this. Let me duplicate this also and push it to the bottom. Click on this and difference. Okay, so here it is. We have created our utensil. I will rotate it like a little bit like this. And I will just increase the opacity. I will make it blue. I will click on this. I will increase the opacity and I will push it one layer down and second layer down like this. like this. Now I will take this node, take this all the way up. I will delete this node. Okay, so I will create a node right here, like this. Okay, just like this. Okay, so I will take this node here and I will take this all the way up. Like this. And like this. Okay, I will make this node auto smooth, and okay, we are ready to go. Okay, so like this. Now I will make this dark blue color. I will take this, tilt it a bit like this, make it size small, like this. And I'm gonna put it here and difference. So I will duplicate it. Click on this difference. Now click on this and click on the left root and difference, like this. So we have technique completed. Now we have to just give it a gradient shade. This one. So now I will just give it a gradient like this. The darker shade is like this. Okay, I will click on the next one, press G on the keyboard. I will take this color, and here I will take this one. Okay, like this. Now click on this ego face. I will choose the gradient. I will click this darker shade, like this. Now I will click on this. I will give it a radial gradient, like this. I will click on this dark shade here. Here I will click on this one, like this. Okay, it's good. Now I will click on this one. I will duplicate this. I will make it this color. You can take any dark color and lower one step down, like this. I will hide this part coming from this circle, like this, and I will give it a little bit blur, like this. Again, we have to do the same with the other one. One step down, another step down, make it dark shade, another step down. The dark shade should be beneath the layer in which we have to give the shade, like this. Same we have to do with other one. Okay, like this. So we are pretty much done. Now we click on this, duplicate this. Okay, like this, and difference. I will take this. I will take the rectangle tool, F1, press shift, click on this crescent and difference. I will move it all the way up and increase the opacity, zoom in, increase the opacity like this, and okay, like this. I will duplicate it, click on this, difference. Again I will duplicate this, click on this inner shadow and difference, like this. Same we have to do with the other one here, difference. Okay, so guys, like this we have to do. So I hope you like the video. If you like it, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next one. Till then, have a good day and see ya.